Want to lose weight fast without doing even dieting or exercise? That's sounding interesting to you, right? Then move to higher ground. Well, right now I'm sounding a bit confusing to you, isn't it? No, actually you can know a person can weigh differently from one place to another. And it's because the fluctuations in the earth gravity. According to the new high resolution map, it have said that gravity is often assumed to be same on everywhere on the earth planet. But according to the researcher, this is not quite right, because earth itself is not a spherical properly. It is not even uniformly dense. It just seems like some sort of potato. Suppose if you are standing on the equatorial line, then from there you are 21 kilometers or 13 miles farther from the center of earth. If you are standing at the pole, the difference of the pole and the equator is due to the equatorial bulge, because due to the rotation of earth. Let me tell you one incident, real incident that have happened in the 17th century with a French explorer. They have placed one pendulum which is running very fast in the French Guiana, that is in the South America, rather than in the France. Now they thought like why it is happening like this, because there was a gravitational acceleration was more in the French Guiana rather than in the France. So where there is a gravitational acceleration more, there the pendulum also swung slightly faster. Standing at the equator, you are 1% lighter than you are at the pole. Nearer you are to the equator, you will feel your weight should be less, because the same that happened with the pendulum, that will also run fast when they are not at the equator. Less weight and the faster the pendulum. Earth gravity is found to be weaker at the equator pole. This is because of the centrifugal force. Because of the rotation of the earth. It causes rotation of the earth that make it a centrifugal force at the equator. Now research from the Curtin University have said that they have combined the gravity data from the satellite and the topographic data to the map gravity changes between the latitude of a 60° north to 60° south. Suppose in some of the places where the large metallic ore and the oil are present, there the gravitational pulls toward the earth is much more. So there you feel much more kind of weight. Are we lighter at equator? Giving you an example of elevator. If you are in an elevator, you will feel your weight is going to be less, because as elevator dropping from the top, the acceleration is going towards down. Similarly, it's happening with the earth also. The rotation of earth can also reduce the perceived gravity. So somewhere it is more weight and somewhere is a less weight. If you are standing at equator, your perceived gravity will reduce only through 0.35% than the average of 9.8 meter per second square. If you are in the positions of Colombo and Sri Lanka, then you will feel a bit less weight rather than in the Kathmandu and Nepal. Now you are thinking how these places are varying the different weight for us, because as I said, accelerating downward at the equator, as you are going down, you will feel your weight should be less comparisons to that top. So that's the main reason the Indian Ocean is one of the reason that it having the lowest gravity region comparison to the Himalaya. Himalaya having the greatest high gravity regions. So in Himalaya you will feel your weight should be little bit light than Indian Oceans. So if you're traveling anywhere, if you have got a thought, have a point on this: equatorial bulge, mineral deposit and acceleration due to the gravity which is going down. It is some of the reason that is main important for varying the weight from one place to another. Until then, let's learn with focus. Bye-bye.